A sudden metallic rattle from your garbage disposal usually means something is inside that should not be. The type of sound can help you decide whether to inspect it or stop using it completely. If you hear sharp clicking or rattling, turn the disposal off immediately and disconnect its power. Use a flashlight to inspect the grinding chamber, paying close attention around its outer edge. A utensil, bottle cap, piece of glass, or other hard object may be striking the rotating plate. Never reach inside with your hand. Remove visible objects using long-handled tongs or pliers. A loud humming sound with no grinding usually means the mechanism is jammed. With the power still disconnected, insert the manufacturer-specified wrench into the socket beneath the disposal and move it back and forth until the mechanism turns freely. If the disposal vibrates against the sink or cabinet, inspect its mounting assembly and nearby drain pipes. A loose mount or pipe can amplify normal motor vibration. Grinding, squealing, or rumbling that continues after the chamber is clear may indicate worn bearings, damaged grinding components, or motor failure. Stop running the unit because continued use could cause additional damage. Normal grinding should become quieter once food has cleared. A new sound that remains with an empty chamber deserves inspection. What sound is your disposal making? Rattling, humming, or grinding? Tell us in the comments.